just to kind of walk y'all through the daily maintenance or seasonal maintenance. It's really not daily. This is our leaf mold pile. It's all the leaves we gathered up through the fall. This is our current pile, and it's coming along real nice. I think I'll turn it real quick and let y'all see the steam coming out of it because it's pretty warm in there. This is pretty much finished, and then this bay is empty, and we got some stuff that's finished, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to combine this with this, and then we're going to flip it right on through that bay. We'll probably let it sit for a few more weeks, and then it'll be ready to use. There we go. Alright guys, I'm going to flip this up a little bit, turn it, and show you what hot composting looks like. I can feel the heat coming off of it right now. I just added some of the previous stuff from the old compost. I added some marshmallows though, some old eggs from the old compost, old pumpkin stems from the older compost that didn't break down completely. We'll flip it through here again, give it another opportunity to break down. Also, Easter just passed. We do not eat a lot of breads, but we have a ton of them, you know, that family bring and stuff like that. And that's all perfectly good stuff to compost. So yeah, check it out. Whoa, I don't know if y'all can see that coming off of there. We got some breads in here, corn chips, we got some weeds. Just thinned out the arugula, put that in here, and old grass clippings, all that kind of stuff. I don't know if y'all can see the steam rolling out. We've also got quite a bit of fungal breakdown. That's what that white stuff is right there. But it is super, super hot in there. Got the King's Hawaiian rolls breaking down. Let me see here. Yeah. Look at that. Really doing a good job. So you just want to turn it every now and then. Nothing major. I've been kind of turning it a lot because it's been raining a lot. And you want that water, you know, to kind of sink down in there and keep the whole process going. Just pull it back up to, you know, keep it nice and tight. You want about a 5 foot by 5 foot, more than that, less than that. I think this is about 4 feet by 3 feet. And we just keep going up higher and higher. With each mow, we get about this much grass and leaves together. And so, and then it collapses as it heats up and as it breaks down, and then we just add to it, and we add to it, and we keep turning it. So ideally, by the end of the summer, by the end of the mowing season, we'll have a whole lot, like a whole lot of compost. All right. This process is too simple. We simply flip it through the bay that aerates it, turns it over, and lets it do its thing. Alright guys, so that's pretty much your monthly maintenance on your 3-stage composter, or I guess it'd be 4 stages, but I call it a 3-stage because I just have a place for leaf mold. But please like and subscribe, and kind of follow us along as we go on our journey here. This is your finished product. I'll show you a little something. I want to talk about eggshells really quick. Here's some before I let you go. They really don't break down. There's 500,000 home remedies and whatnot. The best thing to do with them is just crunch them, throw them back in. Crunch them, throw them back in. They're not going to hurt anything. They're not the magical benefit that a lot of people think they are. Just, yeah, crunch them up, throw them in.